Hello everyone. Our today's topic is how to get meaningful insights from images. This is an image which contains fictitious business data about assets of various kinds over the different quarters. If I want to get insights based on this data, the only thing I have to do, I have to copy data from this picture to Excel. As I cannot copy data from image to Excel, so I have to read data carefully and type in the Excel. It may take many hours. On top of that, there are chances of error. So how to get quick insights from images using help of Copilot in Excel? Let's start our demonstration now. Upload the image in Copilot in Excel and type the prompt, describe image, insert to new sheet. So based on data in image, we got same data in our Excel file. From here, we can analyze our data in the way we want. Now based on this data, we can go for show data insights and many other data operations. If you want to know more about all the features in Copilot in Excel, please refer this video. In this way, you notice that how easy it is to get all the data which contain in image or to carry in Excel. But please note that to use this functionality, Copilot in Excel, you have to pay 30 USD per user per month for Copilot license. What if you don't have Copilot license? The free version of Microsoft Copilot can also do the same job, which not be as good as Copilot in Excel can do. So let me show you the same thing in the free version of Microsoft Copilot. In the free version of Copilot, describe image and provide data in tabular manner. So you notice that with the free version of Microsoft Copilot, from image you able to get data from this image. You can copy data from here and paste into Excel and can take it further. So in this video you learned how to get data contained in an image into Excel or in normal Copilot chat. Thank you.